Hi, this is Andy from Ward Eden Farm, and I'm going to show you how to use this two-handed rip saw. It's probably over 120 years old, as good as new though, and very, very flexible. See, bend it right round in a circle, and people can even play these as musical instruments. And look at those teeth on there. Yeah. Well, let's have a little look, and I'm not going to cut too much, so not that I can't, I probably am going to be able to cut the whole plank by the end of the day, but I just wanted to show you just for 20 or 30 seconds, and then I'll stop. So, are you ready? Here we go. I'm going to put a little wedge in here, stop that from binding, I hope. Better, doesn't it? Anyway, so hope you can hear me okay. I'm going to turn this into a piece of artwork. This plank is probably about 14 or 15 inches thick here. It's going to take me about half an hour to saw through it, so I'm sure you'll be bored by then. So thank you for watching, and I'll give you an update soon.